So here's how you can fix your Instagram app problem not opening. So maybe you're opening Instagram and it just doesn't open at all, or maybe it opens for a split second and then immediately shuts back down like that. So first, what you want to check is to see if Instagram servers are down. So you want to go to a search engine and then type in "is Instagram down?" And then you want to click on the first option. So as you can see here, it is currently pretty low. However, if there's a big spike up recently, then that should probably indicate that the Instagram servers are down, which is going to be the reason why you can't open Instagram. The next thing what you can do is basically to find your Instagram app, and then now you want to press and hold on it. So then now it's going to pop up app info. You want to click on that. And then once you're in app info, you want to click on force stop. And then now you want to scroll down, and then you're looking for what says storage usage, which is right over here. And then now you want to clear all cache. So click on clear cache. And once that's done, you can also go even further and click on clear data. And once you have done that, all those, you want to simply click on uninstall and then uninstall the app completely by clicking OK. And then once you uninstall it completely, simply reinstall, log in, everything should be fine.